Welcome back to episode 2 of A Notch Higher. This is a series that I started a while back and kind of slowed things down because COVID, you know, restaurants were trying to make a buck, but now we're back and we're coming back with a bang. Major reason being today's episode, we're making KFC sticky wings. Hesh! If you have been to Nairobi, you know how much the sticky wings is a mega craze over here. Also, they're similar to what you would eat abroad. They're dunked in a nice, sweet, sticky situation, and that is what we're going to be making right here on this episode of A Notch Higher. Now, quick rundown of our ingredients. We have salt, freshly ground black pepper, cayenne pepper, corn flour, honey, dark soy sauce, and our wings. And these are about 12 wings that we are going to marinate and fry up. So let's start with that. So we've cleaned our wings and we've patted them down dry, and right now I'm just using a fork to kind of just pierce through in order for our dry rub to penetrate. And I don't think you should skip on this step, to be very honest with you. Mainly because you really need that flavor to go all the way through. We're gonna go in with salt, black pepper, cayenne pepper. Now the cayenne isn't necessarily going to add a lot of heat because we're just using a little bit of it, but it's going to add a lot of flavor. And if you do not like heat, of course, you can always go with paprika. Adding in our corn flour. Now I wouldn't advise on using all-purpose, mainly because I feel like corn flour delivers a way better crunch. However, if it's what you have on hand, I'd say break the rules and go for it. Just gonna go in and ensure everything is well coated. Now, whenever I feel like the corn flour is not enough, I usually just go in with a little bit more. Just make sure everything is well coated. And once that's ready, we can go ahead and head on over to the stove to fry. Our oil is nice and hot. I've just sprinkled in just a little bit of corn flour, and you can see that. So the wings are extra crispy. Apart from flipping them over once, I flip them over twice so that we can just get an extra crispiest skin. And now I'm just taking them off the heat and then getting ready to add the next batch of wings. Now that our wings are done in a separate pot, you can go ahead and start on your sauce that goes onto the wings. Now, the thing to this recipe is that I realize it needs more honey, more sweetness, and the quality of honey that you use is very important because it imparts the flavor onto the wing. So if it's a flavored honey, of course it's going to make your wings taste of that flavor. Now I'm just adding this in here. I'm also going to be adding just a little bit of water, let it come to a simmer, and then we're going to toss our wings into the sauce. So we've been having the sauce simmering for about, I want to say 7 to 8 minutes now. And how you know your sauce is ready, you can see it's coating the back of the spoon. I don't want it any thicker than that. I'm going to turn it off, and it's now time to serve. You hear that sound? That's how you know the wings are crispy. Trust me when I tell you, corn flour is the truth. As you can see, the honey is making them sticky.
All right.
Barbara is back again. For those who may not know, she handles production and brand partnerships over at MMTD. And her other job,
My favorite job, the best job on earth, is
eating food. So
tasting. Okay.
So it's time for you to give it a good bite. Let us know.
Okay. I want everyone to know that I'm really reliable and honest. So whatever I say is the truth. It's not just because I work with her. Okay. Damn. Oh my god. Okay. I can safely say that this was a successful recipe. I like the internet to know that even though you only ever see me eating on this channel, I promise I do other things, I swear. But this is by far the best part of my job. Okay, I knew I would like it. I didn't think I would like it. I'm genuinely amazed. Oh my god.
I really hope you guys enjoyed my version of KFC sticky wings, and I'm really looking forward to a lot of you trying out this recipe, mainly because I put my butt into it. I gave you guys some behind the scenes. The grease was popping my scalp, okay? If the grease popped my scalp, it should pop your scalp too for you to achieve this. Please, please, please. Okay? Hashtag is Miss Mandi Throwdown. Please, Musimyangu, don't let me down. I always translate for you so that the other people who may not know Swahili joins the gang gang. Join the gang gang. Make sure you subscribe to this video, like it, leave a comment, and if you know somebody who loves themselves some KFC sticky wings, why haven't you shared this video? I'll wait for you to do that. Peace.